Hi! In this video, I will show you how to log into CIBC Costco Mastercard. First things first, head over to CIBC.com and then you should be able to see this. Make sure to accept the cookies or manage it. Then from there, you can see this. So just enter in your card number. You can also remember it. Make sure to click on it if you're on a private computer and not on a public computer. Now enter in here your password and then click on the sign on right here in order to log in. Now, if you forgot your password, you can click on this reset your password option right there. And then it will prompt you to this new page right here wherein you should be able to remove or forgot or retrieve your password. Here at this right here, just enter your card number of 16 digits, expiry date, and phone number on file, and then click on this next option right here in order to retrieve your password. So once you're done with that and you have successfully retrieved your password, you can log in as usual and you should be able to use it. So that's how you log into CIBC Costco Mastercard. Hope we helped.